Hello all, welcome back to Aspire World. Today I will share one-liners of all the important current affairs for 25th May 2020. So let's start. Industry status to sports. The Mizoram cabinet has granted industry status to sports, a move aimed at generating employment. The government seeks to invest more in sports for the generation of employment and increasing value. The industry status will help them to meet the requirements for the sportsperson and other involved in the sector. Mizoram was the first state to decide granting of industry status to sports. Restart. Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy has launched a new program christened Restart to support the MSME sector in the state. The program is expected to benefit 98,000 units that provide employment to more than 10 lakh people. The government will spend 1100 crore rupees on the revival of the sector. The government will directly purchase 360 items manufactured by the MSMEs and give payment in a period of 45 days, which will further help the sector. 3 new plant species. A team of scientists of the Botanical Survey of India have reported the discovery of 3 new plant species in the evergreen forest patches of the southern end of the Western Ghat in Kerala and Tamil Nadu. The names are Eugenius pericarpa, Goniothalamus cerusus, and Mimicillon nervosum. Ayushman Bharat. Ayushman Bharat, Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana, the flagship health assurance scheme of the Government of India, has marked 1 crore treatments. These treatments worth rupees 13,412 crore have been provided to a growing network of 21,565 public and private MFNIL hospitals. Ayushman Bharat, Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana was launched in 2018. Economist Abhas Jha. Indian economist Abhas Jha has been appointed by the World Bank to a key position on climate change and disaster management in South Asia. Jha's appointments come during a time when Cyclone Amphan has badly hit the West Bengal, Orissa in India and Bangladesh. Open Skies Treaty. The US has given notice that it will exit the Open Skies Treaty, an agreement that allows country to monitor signatories' armed development by conducting surveillance flight over each other's territory. The notice was given on the ground that Russia had continuously and flagrantly violated the treaty. The treaty was signed in 1992 and entered into force on January 1, 2002. NCPEDP. A report on status of persons with disabilities in India during the COVID-19 crisis was released by the National Center for Promotion of Employment for Disabled People. Around 67% of them had no access to doorstep delivery of essentials, and only 22% of them confirmed that they have the access to essentials. Khudol. The United Nations Secretary General Envoy on Youth has listed Manipur's Khudol among the top 10 global initiatives for an inclusive fight against the COVID-19 pandemic. Khudol is a crowdfunded initiative of Ya All, an Imphal-based NGO. The initiative entails ensuring food supplies and health services for the LGBTQI+ community, people living with HIV, daily wage earners, children and adolescents. Anita. Researchers using NASA's Anita have succeeded in finding a fountain of high-energy particles erupting from the ice in Antarctica, which according to the researchers could be proof of the parallel universe. The Anita instrument is a radio telescope to detect ultra-high-energy cosmic rays neutrinos from the scientific balloon flying over the continent of Antarctica. International Day to End Obstetric Fistula is observed on 23rd May. The theme for 2020 is End Gender Inequality and Health Inequities and Fistula Now. So that's all. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up. If you have any suggestions, post it down below in the comment sections. We will be posting such videos daily. So hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to never miss any update. You can also get the PDF of one-liners of the entire month from our website. I have attached the link in description. Thanks for watching.